Right, so we have tons. These are side shooting, so they shoot out the side, which makes them extremely bendable to go around complex areas. So we need a lot of these. But we also want some that are just going to be just brilliant and bright and huge, and that is these mega ones. The mega neons are truly mega. They're huge. If you look at this one, it's more than twice the size of the other one. It's almost a solid 3/4 inch thick by a little bit less. It's almost that, so it'll fit right in this channel here. Plan was to integrate a large RGB LED strip, not in not one but two spots here. The megas are nice, and so are the orbit, but those only went in certain spots. The things that are lighting up the stairs and the spots that are lighting up the entire side of the boat are the mini neons, and they're really not mini, they're just mini compared to the megas. They are actually larger than the orbit and brighter than the orbits. They just will not bend in the way that the orbit can. But a combination of all three of these neon lights leads for a fantastic looking boat. Because the neon coating inside the gel makes all the lights seem like they blend together, there is no hot and cold spots, no dot dot dot, no unevenness. They just look pro all the way. Stick them in your boat and then stick them in your trailer too if you want your bunks to light up. Side-by-sides, RVs, trucks, you name it. Plashlights is the #1 company in marine and outdoor lighting. No other company comes close in offering such exceptional quality with an almost, no questions asked, lifetime warranty on all their products. LED strips, light bars, underwater LEDs, speaker rings, courtesy lights, RGB controllers, all of it. So while you're here scoping the neons, go ahead and check out their underwater LED systems, as well as their fishing light bars and also their spotlights. If there's levels to marine lighting, then Plashlights is at the very top. Thank you for watching. See you out there.